Hey everyone, Dan with Mac Rumors, and Pepcom 2018 officially kicked off last night, and for those who aren't familiar with Pepcom, it's a lot like CES Unveiled, but for seemingly more established companies with newer products or concepts for the future. Starting things off with popular hard drive manufacturer LaCie, who introduced its new product that should have drone enthusiasts and content creators super excited. This is the DJI CoPilot. It's a 2TB hard drive solution that can automatically back up footage on your hard drive and that can be viewed and managed within the DJI app on your iPhone or iPad by simply plugging in the attached lightning cable. The drive does have a very simple indicator screen on top, which will let you know about the import, storage remaining, and battery statuses of the drive. What got me excited as an all-around content creator is that this isn't technically limited towards just drone videographers, but all videographers who, if they are like me and edit off an external hard drive, can eliminate a step of transferring from SD card to hard drive with your computer. Another product that would couple perfectly with the LaCie drive, and really for those who are just trying to replace their laptops with iPads, will want to check out these two keyboard cases from Zagg. Zagg, the popular screen protector company, has also been creating cases for quite some time, and the new rugged and slimbook detachable keyboard cases seem like great options for those iPad Pro users who want a better keyboard experience with far more drop protection than the Apple keyboard, and if you get the slimbook, you'll also have a place to store your Apple Pencil. Much like CES Unveiled, another primary focus of Pepcom were smart home devices like popular lock manufacturers who announced its new locks for 2018 with full HomeKit support and a few other unique features that try to set themselves apart from one another. So for example, with the new August locks, not only will the app let you know when your door is currently locked, but if the actual door is opened or closed for that extra level of comfort and assurance. Yale unveiled its new lineup of smart locks, and the HomeKit lock has a built-in touchpad for when you're unable to use Siri or the Home app to unlock, and can also be swapped out with a modular cartridge to work with Zigbee or Z-Wave solutions if you decide that HomeKit is no longer for you. For additional security measures, Ring has introduced an all-new lineup of cameras and alarm systems, and although there is no HomeKit support quite yet, the popular video doorbell manufacturer is still one of the top choices for outdoor security solutions. A newer company called Noon and their smart lighting system is another product that has really piqued my interest because these smart light switches not only have a really cool OLED display to interact with, but can essentially save you loads of money by not having to buy a ton of smart light bulbs for your house. The Noon switch can work with any bulb that's currently installed. The iOS app is easy to set up and can allow you to create custom scenes for the rooms in your house. The only bummer to me at the moment is that it only supports voice control from Amazon's Alexa and is unclear if support for Google Assistant or Apple HomeKit will be available in the future. With that said, I am a huge fan of the way these light switches look, and the ability to replace switches instead of replacing dozens and dozens of bulbs throughout my house is far more intriguing. Now, if Alexa is in fact your assistant of choice, well, there is a much better and sleeker looking speaker out on the market that might be of interest to you. This is the Voice One from Kit Sound, a popular UK audio company, and although it was brief, from what I heard out of the Voice One, it sounded way better than your current Amazon Echo options. Pepcom also had its fair share of weirder products, like this phone with a built-in projector for some strange reason, and there's also an automatic folding machine for your clothes that I thought would be marketed towards businesses rather than average consumers, but that was not the company's intent. It does work pretty well and can fold an entire load of laundry in minutes, so if you hate folding laundry and have around $900 to spare, then this might be a product for you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and keep it locked to MacRumors.com for more CES coverage as the showroom floors officially open up today. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.